I'm going to show you three techniques that we can use to rotate objects or text in CorelDRAW. So the very first thing is to use the Move tool. The very first tool on the tool list. Look like a little black cursor. So this is the selection tool. Click on your object and then click again at the center, this little X. Now we are in rotation mode when you can freely rotate the object. As you may notice, we got origin of rotation that we can move. So I can move that point to here, and now I'm rotating around that point. This can be really handy. Let's put back this around the center and take a look at the very top here. Even we are not in the rotation mode, we can see the angle. By changing this angle here, we can apply rotation, just like that. So that's the second way, simply by typing the angle from the keyboard. The last way is to change to kind of unknown tool, not many people use it, so click and hold here, and you will see a free transform tool. And this tool got 4 different modes. The very first mode is called rotation. So using that, you can rotate the shape around. Keep in mind, the place where you click is important. So if I click here, I'm rotating around this area. So you must click in the center if you want to rotate around the center. All right, so this tool, it's a bit messy. So what I recommend is to simply use the pick tool, the selection tool, the cursor tool. And then again, when you click on your shape first time, you got a transform option, so you can scale it up and down. If you want to rotate, just click at the center one more time, and now we can do rotation. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.